Is yours hidden?
All right. 5002 on Margaritaville at Sea.
Oops, hold on, I can't do my left hand.
All right, here we go. There it is. Green light means go.
Oh, does this stay open?
What do we got going on here?
Oh.
They got the window
I don't
closed.
know where the lights are.
I'm gonna open that up. When we open up that window, we're gonna get some sunshine in here. Some natural light.
Oh,
Oh, what do we got? How's our view?
oh my God.
What's that say? Nothing but a breeze.
Well, we're on the wrong side.
There is no wrong side. Would that be port side or starboard side?
Depends on which way the ship is.
Not sure yet.
Oh my God, get this off.
But hey, it's a cruise ship room, so you know it's not gonna be gigantic.
Whew, check out that bathroom.
But it looks nice. Let's see what we got going on in here. Alright. We do have some counter space.
Turn on
That's
the lights.
nice. I'm not sure where the lights are.
What's it? Red's right here. In the wall. Down.
Oh, there we go.
Where's the bathroom light though?
There it is. I'm not sure. Alright, y'all.
I'm not showering in the dark.
They weren't kidding about a small shower, though. It's alright. We can bathe in the ocean.
Okay.
There it is. Found the lights. Alright, y'all. Nothing but a breeze.
It's bigger than normal.
Cruising out at 5:30 Eastern. Deuces.